Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Excel Workshop. This is my first video tutorial on MS Excel, and in this video I will let you know what is Excel and how to use it. So we will start our video with its definition. So friends, the question is, what is Excel? In layman language, if you ask someone that what is Excel, then probably you will get the answer that Excel is to be very good at doing something and to do something even better than you usually do. But if we talk about what is MS Excel, then the definition will be: Excel is a software program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize number and data with formulas and functions. And MS Excel is a helpful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation. It is a spreadsheet program which contains a number of columns and rows. So let's see how a spreadsheet looks like. So friends, you are seeing a spreadsheet, and on the top, this called title bar. Here you can see the name of your file if you save it. Like I have saved my file with the name of the Excel Workshop. Then you will have menu bars. We have all necessary useful function in these menu bars. So friends, you are seeing working area, which is called as workbook, and we have sheets in which we work. We can have multiple sheets in a workbook like sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So friends, let's talk about some menu bars. So we have file option. When you click on file option, you will have save, save as, new, open, close and print. And if you click on home button, then you will get cut, copy, paste, which you are seeing over here. You can change the font size, you can change the fonts, background color, font color, alignment, etc. If you click on insert button, you will get pivot table, and you can create tables, you can add pictures, shapes, chart and hyperlink. If you click on page layout, then you can change the margin of your page, you can change the orientation of your page, you can change page size and print area, etc. If you click on formula button, then you will get calculation related option here. Friends, if you click on data, then you can sort your data, you can filter your data from here, remove duplicates and data validation, etc. If you click on review, then you can spell check, you can add comments, you can protect your sheet or workbook. And if you click on view, then you will get formula bar, you can which you want to see or hide. You can see grid lines or hide, and headings, zoom in and out, freeze pans and macros, etc. Friends, you are seeing a spreadsheet where you can see A, B, C, D, these called columns, and there are 16,384 columns in a sheet. And as you can see, there are some numbers like 1 2 3 4 5. These are rows, and there are 10,48,576 rows in a sheet. Friends, when you need to enter a data, you need to click on a box that known as a cell. Every cell has an address. If you want to write something, then it will denote by column and rows. Like I have entered here, which comes in column number D and row number 4. So its address will be cell number D4. Friends, when you input a data into a cell, it looks like this, and what you are seeing in gray, we call it as label. And when you input a number, it called value. And when you perform a calculation like plus, minus, etc. by using a predefined method, it is known as a formula or a function. So friends, it was a short introduction of Excel, and one by one we will learn new things in MS Excel in my future videos. So please subscribe and like my channel so that you will get the notification of my new videos. I hope you like the video. So meet you in next Excel tutorial. Till then, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos and please share. Thank you so much.